Vivian asked. Be patient. You have to be hospitalized immediately, understanding the severity of your case.
What happened, doctor? What's the problem? Doctor, how much will it cost?
Don't worry, it will be fine. Just make arrangement for the 5 to 6 months.
5 to 6 lakh.
Let me embark upon a journey of great significance of health insurance. I mean, a quest to discover the magic of health insurance, a key that can unlock the doors to a world where you can face life's uncertainty with confidence. So let's get started with this journey. Welcome to the Premium Plains, where your journey begins. Here you will encounter the cost of entry to the realm of health insurance. And premiums are like the gatekeeper fee, the magical gatekeeper fee that you pay to get yourself insured and to have the access to the wonders beyond it. And people might have a question that how do we afford such premiums? So don't worry, we have assistance and subsidies for your help. Now let's talk about the unique coverages it offers. Imagine these as the protective spells or the enhancements that will protect you from the financial storms of illnesses. Coverages will include pre-hospitalization, hospitalization expenses and post-hospitalization expenses, which will protect you from major financial disasters. It includes the cost of accommodation, treatment and the medical portion that you will need while you are there. Each plan can have a unique combination of these three, so better choose a plan which suits your budget and your need. The power of protection means the diversity of a nation. In a land as vast and varied as India, health insurance is not just a necessity but also a lifeline. Let's journey through some of the schemes that are serving in India. First on the list will be Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, also known as the Ayushman Bharat Yojana. It's a government initiative aiming to provide financial protection which offers cashless hospitalization for secondary and tertiary care, covering a wide range of treatments and surgeries. It's a true game changer for the medical world in India. Secondly, there's the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. This is a personal accident insurance scheme offering accidental death and disability cover at a minimum premium. It's a straightforward yet essential scheme that provides financial support to unforeseen circumstances. Welcome to the Garden of Maternity and Wellness, a special corner for your health insurance journey. Maternity insurance coverage is a nurturing embrace during the magical journey of bringing a new life into the world. It covers the costs of pregnancy, childbirth, and the aftermath cost of taking care of your new one. Welcome to this world of peace, of financial stability and security. Your quest for financial wellness is over here. As India continues to grow and evolve, health insurance still remains as the strongest pillar of support, safeguarding the health and well-being of millions. Because in India, health is wealth, every life matters. Thank you.